Hello everyone, welcome back to Intellicraft. In this segment, I will demonstrate part 1 of the library management module, where we will set up the basic library configuration. Let's get started. After logging into the application, navigate to the side menu and select Library Management. You'll be navigated to the library dashboard. Here you will see an overview of the library management system, including total books, issued books, overdue books, total libraries, top 5 issued books, fines per user, recently issued books, and top borrowers. First, go to the Library Settings tab. Here, you can configure settings such as borrow limits, overdue days, overdue fine rules, and damage or lost fines for each member type. You can also set custom configurations to define borrowing limits and overdue rules as per your requirements, and add book categories to organize your library effectively. Once all the settings are configured, click on the Save button. Next, move to the Library Structure tab. Click on the Add Library Structure button, then enter the library name, set the maximum number of books, and select the users who will have access. You can then organize your library by adding racks. Enter the rack name, select the rack category, and define the shelf name and shelf capacity. You can add multiple racks and shelves as needed. Once done, click on the Create Library Structure button. Finally, go to the Books Inventory tab. Here you have 2 options to add books. You can either use bulk upload by uploading an Excel sheet with book details, or add a book manually. To add a book manually, enter the ISBN, title, author name, and select the book category. Then choose the location and enter the number of copies, amount, and total copies. You can also select the checkbox if required and add details such as published year, publisher name, and description. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Save Book button. And that's how you can successfully complete library management setup in Intellicraft. Thank you for watching this demo.